out about it again on Saturday. We're in Home Goods, checking them out. Y'all see I'm in my riding chair. I can't be walking all over this store like that. Yeah, that's cute right there. The MTS crew. Look at those trunks. Y'all, we just out and about looking today. Maybe purchasing a couple of things. Now my daughter is thinking about getting that lion over there. You see it? Tiger, lion, tigers, and bears.
How you doing today? Sister Pam in the house.
Sister Pam is in the house, y'all. Yeah. We out at Home Goods. She got her a couple of things in her buggy. Yeah. I love sayings. I have sayings all over my house. Look at that. I just love them, y'all. Can't help it. I definitely need that longer sign. Y'all, I'm thinking about getting this to put in my office. It's on sale, so it has a little chip on there, so let's see how much it costs. Now, I like that one because we are blessed. I'm going to see if this is half price also. Y'all, I'm thinking about getting a clock for my foyer. They have some beautiful clocks here. I'm gonna look first. Love that one. What y'all think? This is cute, y'all. You can also let it double as a nightstand. My daughter is here and she's looking for something like that. $149. Cute, cute. Y'all, look at this. This is nice. It is really heavy. Can you see doing something really nice for this, with this for Mother's Day, or you can even put a plant in there, or just use it as a serving dish. I like that. Now, this is the clearance. Look what a mess. An absolute mess. When is that on clearance? I can't get enough of face towels. It says clearance, but I don't know. What you think? I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. Y'all, you talking about plush? Oh my goodness. These are like the hotel towels, and they're on clearance, so they're $9.99, so they're probably about $5. I'm gonna get about 4 of those. Nice little setup right here. I love it. Little splash of color in there. Cute. Now I think I'm gonna get this to put on my desk. We have a tent so it won't get ruined. I just love that. That would be nice in the middle of the table. Y'all, they have some beautiful artificial orchids. I love orchids. Beautiful. As a standalone on a table. Beautiful. Then they have some cute topiaries. These are really cute. Like those. Now, that's their little 50% off sale. I don't even feel like looking through it.
Hey, MTS crew. We just had to get out of the house and we're on our way to the next store. It's beautiful out here today, and we out today now. See y'all later.
There goes Sister taking my buggy back. Now we're in Burlington, y'all. I need a desk clock for my desk. Let's see. It's on clearance for $6.99. I think I'm gonna get that, y'all. It's like a leopard and gold. That's my desk clock. What you got?
Kettle. I love tea.
You like tea?
I love tea.
This is Rochelle's sister Pam's daughter, and she's with us today. That's cute. Did you see the ones at the top, the different colors? You like that one?
I started to get blue, but
I know blue is your color, right?
yes, it is my favorite actually. I think this will go with more of the decor in my kitchen.
Okay.
So we're gonna do stainless steel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all, look what we found. Guess how much that cost? It's a Lazy Susan, but I'm going to use it for something else. Turn it around, sir. Y'all, the price was only $7.99. Nice. Turn it around again. What you think, sir?
I love this. I love it.
We're going to have to get that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Listen. So you use the plastic cutting board. Isn't it time to upgrade, huh?
It did the same thing. You know, it's hard.
But it's time to upgrade, Miss Gourmet Cook.
It does the same thing.
Oh, yeah?
My plastics are still good. It still works for me.
Really?
Yes, it does.
Hon, you need to upgrade.
If it once it starts ripping through, you know, I would rock it to it. I can't rock it no more. That's just how I do.
Y'all, this is really nice. I bought one the last time I was here. It's a knife sharpener. But mine is it's made out of wood, but it really sharpens your knives. I'm looking to see a price on here. Oh, it's not but $6.99, y'all. Such a good deal. Oh, and they have them in different colors. Different colors. Yes. Look at this, y'all. They're coming up with some of everything. It's an egg tray, which is nice. You take eggs, you put it in there, and this thing right here, it slides. Very interesting. Who knows, I might get one. It's only $3.99, y'all. $3.99. Y'all, we are here for Burlington seasonings. They have some really nice seasonings. So I buy a lot of my seasonings from here. I'm looking for the lemon pepper that I usually get. I think I'm gonna try this roasted garlic and onion seasoning. I've never heard of that.
Bacon sauce, Parmesan blend, and chili lime.
But they got you when they said the bacon, right?
They got me when they said habanero. I was interested when I seen that. I got uninterested when I seen that. Yeah.
Oh, she don't eat pork.
No. No swine for me.
Look at her. That's cute. It's cute, sis. Yeah, I love trays. Check this one out. The inlay, it looks like a mother of pearl, and this is $19. I like that. Here's another one that sort of matches the clock that I bought. Nice. Oh, here's another one with the glass, a mirror in there. It is cute. Y'all, they have some beautiful candles. This lotus flower is beautiful. It's $12.99, and these are, this lavender is $5.99. So I'm gonna get me a few candles. They also have the burners also. Okay, that smells good. Oh, that smells so good. That's $7. Coastal Sunset. Look at that. Energizing. I definitely need that one. Relaxation. They have some really nice candles. Now my daughter, she just bought that one. She just bought that one. That smells good. This is the one I'm getting. The blood orange smells so good. What you say, Sam? Yeah, that's the one I was saying that Shan has, my daughter. Isn't that pretty? How much is that one?
$7.99.
$7.99. It's worth it.
Yes.
Are you gonna get one, Rochelle? Yeah, I bought a lot of those wax candle fragrances from Walmart when they was like 10 cents and 15 cents. And now I found a burner with family on there, and we're gonna get that because I have one, but this one is gorgeous. I'm gonna get that one. Let's see. That's where you put your little wax in there, and it's electric. Because sometimes I run out of those little candles, and I like the electric one. Y'all, those are so cute. You can put that on your door. Springtime, turn it around. Those are so cute. How much are they?
$9.99.
Oh, you can't beat that. Those are so cute. But you know what would be really nice if you want to freshen up your bathroom? Put them in there and then spray some potpourri on them. Now this is a wall hanging also, y'all. And it says a little bit of passion, a little bit of loud, a little bit of crazy. No, it said a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. And it's a wall hanging. I definitely need that for my family. What you got?
Sis, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This will match my room up.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that is, honey. That is really.
It feels.
Oh, it feels good.
Yes.
You walking on the wild side, sis.
Yes.
Okay, y'all. Their shelves are empty. I'm thinking about. I've never heard of this Clorox foaming glass cleaner. It's $2. I'm going to get that. And I'm going to get the Clorox with Formula 49 dish detergent. I'm going to try that. And this is $1.99. This is air and water multi-purpose surface cleaning. I'm going to get that. I'm going to get that. And let's see what else they have up here. They got the this is a dish soap. This on sale for $1.99. We're gonna try it. So I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4 items. I already bought something to clean stainless steel with. Now this one has a 20%, or there's 20% more. Let's see. They look about the same to me. Y'all, I'm at the clearance. And I love any kind of t-shirt that's stretchy. And this is stretchy. It's a V-neck, size 3X, and it's $4.29. I got to get this, y'all. You can't get enough of white shirts or white t-shirts. I got to have it. It's going with me. Y'all, these are so cute to lounge around the house. I got to get a pair. I probably get both. You know what? I have so many clothes. I can change clothes every day for 6 to 8 months, and I still have clothes. Y'all might have to give some stuff away or sell it at my store, but I'm always looking for something to lounge around in. Cute. You like them, sis? What y'all think? Queen. My size, y'all. I like stuff like this. These are all the fragrances they have. They have them locked up. They don't have what I like in here. I think I'm in the store and I have on this mask. Oh, her sister, she loves this white diamond. Gonna have to get that for her. Okay. I like Mumbo. And they definitely don't have any of that. And sometimes you can find some really nice fragrances in here, but the ones that I like are not in here. They are in Macy's. So I have enough perfume now. I will spend an arm and a leg for perfume. I will. So this is about what they have. Okay, y'all, we've had a full day of shopping and picking out things. See, we have a buggy full. So we're going to say bye-bye, bro. Say bye, Rochelle, to the MTS crew.
Bye, MTS crew.
Sister Pam got a handful of stuff. I would be glad to get out so I can breathe. Cause baby, walking around with this mask on is no joke. I cough more with the mask on than I do with it off. And you want to clear out, start coughing to see what happens. Okay, y'all, we're getting ready to go. We had a great time shopping today. And you all right, honey? Sis, you all right back there?
Yes, I'm fine.
You want to tell
Bye,
the MTS crew goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Bye. I bought my sister something.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a surprise.
It's a surprise. Yes, y'all. Bye. We had a wonderful day, y'all. Wonderful day out. So it's about dusk. It's about dusk dark here in Atlanta, Georgia. So it's time to head on in, y'all. Let's take it on in.